Hey, DenaliDownSouth here, but you already knew that, of course, because you're on the channel. So we are planning to go back to New York again, just for another quick trip for some family stuff, and figured I'd show you just a few small additions to the car kit that were missing that I discussed on the last video that I will go ahead and link down below. So of course we've got the kit stuffed in that little compartment. As before, what was missing was a good compass. So we've got the Sunto that I purchased and picked up. So an actual good quality compass with a signal mirror that you can also use as a regular mirror, and a little magnifying glass. Picked up a couple kits. Also got a Through Night Archer A1V3. Couple more of those USB rechargeable AA batteries to go with it. It only needs one. If you remember, there's a battery pack with a solar panel in there as well, so that's why we keep those charged. And of course the USB cable that'll go from the battery pack to charge the batteries as well. And of course I will put electrical tape over the ends of these so they don't accidentally make contact with anything in the bag, so they won't accidentally discharge or cause any sort of issue. And of course I'll have a link down below, as I said, that will describe or show everything that's in this kit. I'm not going to go through everything again, but you can see in that other video what's there. So just a quick update for a few things that was missing from the other video. And another good tip is, if you wear contacts like me, is to get a set of glasses and put those in any of your kits, usually like a car kit, or if you're going camping, bring a set and put that in your camping gear as well to bring with you, because your contacts will or can get dirty, fall out, and you don't want your dirty hands digging in your eyes to replace contacts. And of course you could always bring your hand sanitizer cleaner, but I mean, when you got messed up contacts, you don't always have the time to go find your cleaners, clean your hands, and go in, and then, oh well, did you get the soap or the cleaner off your fingers before you stick it in your eye? Because if you don't, then your eye's going to be super irritated and burning, and that's not going to be any fun. So just get you a spare set of glasses and bring those. But it's going to be expensive, because glasses are expensive, I mean, even with insurance. So just when you go and and you get a new set of glasses for your during your regular checkup, that's when you go and just kind of take your old set, throw them in, because even if it's a kind of outdated prescription, it's still better than not being able to see at all. So just a little quick tip to add on to that as well. And also in this car kit, this time we're going to bring a couple sleeping bags, because we might be crashing just for a couple hours in the car on the way up, because it's cheaper than a hotel. Just because when we're traveling up to New York this time, we'll probably actually just be taking some naps at the rest stations, if we can't trade off driving, just because we are on a serious time crunch from down here to get up to New York. On the way back, it'll be a lot more relaxed. We can do the hotel thing. On the way up, we are on like a really tight schedule to get up there, so that'll be interesting. I may or may not do another vlog type style thing of the trip. I haven't decided yet as of this recording. We'll see. So anyway, have a good one and get outside. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family every little bit.